Throwing knives are specialized tools used in sport, martial arts, or recreational activities. These knives, balanced for throwing accuracy, feature aerodynamic designs and durable construction, often with stainless steel or high-carbon blades. Used for precision throwing techniques, they require skill and practice for accurate strikes. With their historical ties to martial arts and modern-day competitive throwing sports, throwing knives offer enthusiasts a challenging yet rewarding pastime or training activity. I'd included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. SOG Throwing Knives. Exemplify precision and reliability, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Crafted from durable 420 stainless steel, these knives boast a balanced design with a double-edged blade, making them suitable for accurate and consistent throws. The set typically includes 3 knives, each measuring around 10 inches in length, providing ample weight and stability for target practice or competitive throwing. The wrapped handles offer a secure grip, ensuring comfort and control with each throw. SOG's commitment to quality and their knives' consistent performance make these throwing knives a popular choice among those seeking reliable and well-crafted tools for honing their throwing skills and enjoying recreational activities. Number 7. Expendables Kunai is a homage to the iconic blades seen in the blockbuster movie series. Crafted with durable stainless steel, these throwing knives are characterized by their sleek and minimalist design, resembling traditional Japanese kunai. Measuring around 12 inches in length, each kunai knife offers a balanced weight distribution, enabling precise and controlled throws. The cord-wrapped handles provide a secure grip, ensuring accuracy and stability during target practice or recreational throwing sessions. As collectibles or functional throwing tools, these kunai knives capture the essence of the action-packed films and appeal to enthusiasts seeking a touch of cinematic flair in their throwing knife collection or practice sessions. Number 6. Kabar ThunderHorse is a rugged and versatile fixed-blade knife designed to withstand demanding tasks in the outdoors. With a blade length of around 7 inches, crafted from durable 1095 Crovan steel, this knife offers exceptional strength and resilience. Its full tang construction provides added durability, while the textured G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip in various conditions. The ThunderHorse's versatile drop-point blade, coupled with a sturdy and practical design, makes it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and survivalists, perfectly suited for tasks ranging from bushcraft and field dressing to general camp chores. This dependable knife embodies Kabar's legacy of quality craftsmanship, catering to those seeking a reliable and robust tool for demanding outdoor adventures. Number 5. Perfect Point PP060-9 is a well-crafted collection designed for accuracy and performance. Each knife in the set, measuring approximately 9 inches, features a stainless steel blade with a sleek, balanced design suitable for both beginners and experienced throwers. With a combination of precision, durability, and aerodynamics, these knives offer consistent and satisfying throws. The cord-wrapped handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, allowing throwers to maintain control and accuracy during target practice or recreational throwing sessions. The set's affordability and reliable performance make it a popular choice for enthusiasts seeking quality throwing knives that deliver consistent results and an enjoyable throwing experience. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Bullseye is a testament to precision and craftsmanship. These knives, measuring around 8 inches each, are forged from durable stainless steel, boasting a dual-edged spear point design that ensures consistent and accurate throws. The balanced weight distribution and symmetrical shape offer excellent aerodynamics, ideal for honing throwing skills or competitive throwing sports. Featuring a reliable build, these knives provide a secure grip with their textured handles, enhancing control and precision with every throw. The Bullseye set's durability, balance, and consistent performance make it a preferred choice among throwing enthusiasts seeking reliable and well-designed throwing knives for practice or competitive use. Number 3. Schrade SETK 3CP Throwing represents a blend of durability and precision in its design. Crafted from sturdy 2XR13 stainless steel, Each knife in this set measures approximately 8 inches, featuring a balanced weight distribution and a dual-edged blade perfect for consistent and accurate throws. The symmetrical shape and well-crafted tip of these knives enhance their aerodynamics, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced throwers. The set's cord-wrapped handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for controlled and precise handling during target practice or competitive throwing sessions. With its dependable build quality and balanced performance, the Schrade SCTK 3CP set serves as a reliable choice for enthusiasts looking for durable throwing knives to hone their skills or engage in recreational throwing activities. Number 2. Flying Tigers Throwing Knives represent a homage to the iconic World War II American volunteer group, capturing the spirit of precision and resilience. Crafted from durable stainless steel, each knife in this set, measuring around 9 inches, exhibits a sleek, streamlined design reminiscent of the historic fighter planes aesthetic. Featuring a balanced weight distribution and a symmetrically shaped blade, these knives offer stability and accuracy in every throw, catering to enthusiasts practicing target accuracy or competitive throwing. The cord-wrapped handles ensure a secure grip, allowing for controlled and consistent throws. These throwing knives, with their historical tribute and functional design, appeal to collectors and enthusiasts seeking a blend of historical significance and practicality in their throwing knife collection or practice sessions. Number 1. Darrell Knives embody a fusion of innovation, precision craftsmanship, and high-quality materials, reflecting a legacy of excellence in the knife-making industry. Known for their cutting-edge designs, each knife crafted by Darrell showcases meticulous attention to detail and ergonomic functionality. Using premium materials like high-grade steels and innovative handle materials, his knives often feature unique blade shapes, high-performance mechanisms, and striking aesthetics. From tactical folders to custom creations, Darrell knives consistently deliver superior performance, making them sought after by collectors, enthusiasts, and professionals alike, seeking unparalleled quality and craftsmanship in every blade.